Hi guys, I just finished swimming, hence why my hair is soaking wet. Oh, welcome back to my channel. It's a new vlog. It's raining outside. I am gonna take a shower as soon as I get home, and then I will introduce you to the vlog and what's going on in the vlog, because it's gonna be a really exciting one. And yeah, I think it's gonna be one of those girly vlogs. Oh my gosh, I'll just tell you about my swimming. I love swimming. I've just recently started like swimming again. I'm so out of breath. I think I was the most unfit in that pool. People were just doing like one lap, breathing for 3 seconds and then going again. I was doing one lap, like dying for like 2 minutes straight and then going again. And there are literally people so much older than me, like literal grandmas in the pool, and they were so good doing lap after lap. And yeah, but it's fine, I'm just a beginner. Someone just asked if I'm going. That is so embarrassing. I hope she didn't see me talk to the camera. Bye. I'm back from swimming, had a shower, blow dried my hair. I always feel like one of those Vogue videos when I film in the bathroom. But obviously because I just exercised, I was in the pool, like my face feels a bit dirty and I want to give it a really good deep cleanse. The only device that makes my skin feel squeaky clean, you guys already know what I'm gonna say, it is the Luna 3 device by FOREO Sweden. I talk about this all the time. I've been using this for over a year. Before I started using the Luna 3 device, I just used to rub the products in with my fingers, and I never really felt satisfied that I was getting like deep into the pores of my skin. When I use this, honestly guys, my skin feels so clean. So I've just splashed my face with water and put cleanser on. I just wanted to give you a close-up look at the device. As you can see, it has soft silicone heads, and these are designed to target T-sonic pulsations. The silicone heads also means that it's not harsh on your skin. You can actually use the device through the FOREO app as well, which connects via Bluetooth. You can also change the settings on there, and I always have it on 6. I'm just going to run this device under my tap so it gets damp. I've just wet the device, as you can see, and turned it on. It's literally like getting a massage on your face. It feels so good, guys. Now that my face is clean, I am going to go into my bedroom and show you a really new and exciting step in my skincare routine. I finished putting my serums on to my face, but there is this another step that I've added to my routine. That is the Bare Mini by FOREO Sweden. Look how cute this is. It's such a cool device. The first time I saw it, I was just like, what does that do? So I've been using this about 2 to 3 times a week, and honestly it makes my face feel so toned, and I'll explain what it does. So it has 2 microcurrent spheres, and the stimulating microcurrents that these produce help tone your skin. The T-sonic pulsations gently massage the face to boost the skin's radiance, and I love it because it increases the absorption of all the serums and toners you've put on before, because it just gives you more benefit out of those products as well. Again, you can use this by being guided by the FOREO app, which connects via Bluetooth. I love it because it's just an all-in-one device. It's ergonomically shaped to fit like everyone's facial curves, so there's like no faff, there's no attachments required. So I've connected it to my app over here. I'm going to choose how intense I want the microcurrents, choose if I want the T-sonic pulsation on or off, and then I'm going to start. I like to use it on my cheekbones and on my jawline as well. You can use the link in my description box to shop all FOREO products. Now that I've finished my skincare routine, I'm just gonna get into the rest of my day. My room is a mess, so I'm gonna pick this up because my friends are coming over, but I'll see you when my room's all clean. Just finished cleaning downstairs, and yeah, I will see you guys after I finish all this. Okay, my room is now all tidy, and my friend should be coming at 6, so I might get ready, and I've put my little fairy lights on as well. I'm not sure if I want to put makeup on or not. I might put a bit on. And I'm gonna get changed out of my pajamas into like loungewear clothes, and then I'm gonna go to Asda and we're gonna get some snacks for tonight. We're gonna get takeout. I think I'll just get like some snacks anyway. I'm not gonna vlog like when they're here. So as I was saying in the car, this is gonna be a really exciting vlog because I have another shoot day coming up. I'm gonna be working with Zinnia Couture. They're a website that stock Pakistani designers. So I'm gonna be wearing outfits from like Gulban Malik, and I'm so excited, guys. Being able to work with them is such a dream. So I will take you along on that day. I think it's the shoot day is on Valentine's Day. I went a bit extra with my makeup. I just saw the red lipstick and I was like, you know what, it's February, Valentine's Day is in February, so it only made sense for me to do a red lip. Now that I'm thinking of it, I should have told them it was a Valentine's Day. I put all the fairy lights on in the house and I lit every single candle. Just getting my shoes on now, and then I'm gonna head to Asda really quickly, get some snacks. I'm back from, where'd I go? Asda. So let me give you a little haul and then I'm gonna set everything up. I got flowers because it's a girls' night and I wanted it to be girly. I got these J2Os, but I just realized we don't have bottle openers, so I don't know. But I saw a Hailey Bieber interview once and she opened it with her mouth, so maybe we can try that. I got some Sensations, of course, and then I got some cookies. I didn't go overboard because we're gonna eat, so that's all the snacks I got. And then I got 2 bottles. This is J2O. I didn't even know they did like big bottles like that. And then I got Schler as well. That's all the snacks we have, and the rest I just got stuff for my smoothie. Yeah, I thought we had wine glasses and we don't, so I'm using like trifle cups, but I think that'll be okay, right? Like, it looks cute. So guys, if your tulips start to drip, not drip, droop. So should I just do one packet first? Yeah, do one first. Okay, that's fine. I could finish that whole thing. Yeah, so you put a copper coin, like a 2p or a 1p, in the water, or a little bit of bleach, and apparently, well, not apparently, it works. Your tulips will straighten up again. I thought that was a lie. No, it's true. I've seen loads of people do it last year. I've seen it on Instagram. So I just bought myself tulips as well, so I'll try that trick. But yeah, hello there. Minnie, say hi to the camera. Anyway, Zara's friends are coming over, so I'm waiting for Mari to finish work, and I bought my speakers we're gonna start dance practice. Hi guys, so it is Monday today. So basically I'm going to be working with Zinnia Couture today and I'm going to have a little photo shoot. I'm so excited to take you guys along with me. I think I'm wearing 3 outfits and they're all Gabor Malik, but I'm so excited. Like, that is so exciting. I can't even believe it. Anyway, so the location is the Refuge in Manchester. It's like a hotel in Manchester. I'm going to be working with Sarah and Cara again. I love working with them. They're the sweetest girls. They're both makeup artists and they're sisters. So it's really cute that they get to do that together. Yeah, they're gonna be in the vlog again. They've been in so many of my vlogs now. And the girl that I will be modeling the clothes with is called Ramisha. You guys might actually follow her on Instagram. She wears the nicest like Pakistani clothes. We've been following each other for ages, but we've never actually met, so I'm very excited to meet her as well. But I'm late, so I have to go. Just got moisturizer on my face. My eye bags are so dark because I have not slept. But I've got like a bag full of like shoe options and like jewelry options, and I'm just wearing a tracksuit and I'm gonna go. Just got here. I didn't realize it's literally in the middle of town, so I've parked, but it's gonna take me like 6 minutes to walk there, and it's raining, and obviously I didn't bring a coat, so right, I'm gonna get going. I need to pay for the parking. Okay, so we're at the hotel. I look a bit gross right now, but Sarah's gonna do my makeup. I'm so excited! I told them before, I was like, Sarah's coming with me. Organised today. No, it looks gorgeous. Do you know what look you're gonna do? I actually don't know. I think I'm gonna do something quite soft. Just got my makeup done. I love it. I'm so obsessed with it. Okay, you just explain the look. Yeah. I did like a matte brown eye, but then I did like a slightly smoky liner without a wing, and it looks so nice. I love it. I'm so excited. So here are the outfits that we're gonna wear. They look so nice. Can you just tell us like what the designers are? Yeah, this one. This one's so beautiful. The back to this is so pretty. I've just come in the bathroom to get some good lighting, but my hair's done. It looks amazing. I'll tag her Instagram. It's so simple. Like, I don't even have extensions in or anything. or like a big bump, and it looks so nice. And then my makeup, I'm so excited. Here's my outfit. I'll show you guys. I've still got trainers on, but I love it. Also thought I'd show you guys the bathroom because I love hotel bathrooms. How cute is our bathtub? So we've got jewelry from, oh, can you pronounce your brand name? Yeah, sorry.
From Jawahir Gallery.
Jawahir Gallery on Instagram. I'll tag them, but look how pretty everything is. I'm in my first outfit. I've got my jewelry on. It looks so pretty. No, you can't see.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Let's go. So this is our last look. I'm so obsessed with it. It looks so beautiful, and then that's the jewelry that we have paired with it. So Ramisha's just getting ready. She looks gorgeous. Her suit's so nice. We'll do a little OOTD after, and then I'm about to get my hair. But our outfits go together. They look so cute. So I'm just getting my hair done. Oh my gosh, this necklace is insane.
Just tighten it by that one.
That is crazy. It matches perfectly as well, doesn't it? Guys, we finished the look. Oh, I'll show you after properly. Right, so basically, these are our last looks. Oh, Ramisha's got one more look left.
Yeah.
Who are you wearing?
Have you shown them all of our looks?
I think I've shown mine. What's this called?
Jummer. This is
Jummer.
Oh, a jummer.
yeah.
These are jumke.
These are jumkes.
I don't even know.
That's
Okay,
a
I've never
jummer.
worn one before, but I really like it. And then
so that's a jummer, which
I'm
we were
wearing
wearing.
Gabon Malik. Who are you wearing?
It's Gabon Malik.
Oh, we both are. Sorry. So we're both wearing Gabon Malik.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's been a good day.
It's been amazing.
We've got really
It
good
was
shots.
a bit stressful at one point.
Yeah, we got beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys, this is Ramisha's last look. It's so beautiful. Who is it? Who are you wearing?
This is Ippo.
All the outfits we're wearing today you can get off Zinnia Couture. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go home now. So hi guys, I just worked out. I'm FaceTiming Shafa, but I don't think she's gonna pick up. Yeah, I just worked out, just a quick one. I'm gonna book swimming for tonight. I'm gonna go clean the kitchen downstairs, take a body shower, put some makeup on because I have some stories to film. I've just gotten a lot of PR and I like to share it on my stories because I know loads of you guys like seeing stuff like that. It looks so gross. And then I'm gonna cook today, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm cooking. I'm making a jari chicken. I think I mentioned it in another vlog that my mom's teaching me to cook, and then I asked you guys want to see like Asian recipes, and loads of you said yes, so I'm gonna take you along on my little cooking journey today. But yeah, that's why I want to have a bit of makeup on today because I don't want to look like this all day. Also, it's quite late in the day. It's nearly 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna get on with it. The kitchen is a mess. Normally I'll clean it at the end of the day, and I just didn't last night. I'm gonna eat this and I'll show you guys what it looks like. One of my best friends, every Ramadan they'll make cream filled dates. So they slice open the date, take the seed out, put an almond in, and then they put cream inside, and it's so good. That's what my chocolate covered date looks like. This is what I'm dealing with right now. I'm just gonna wash, dry and empty the dishwasher. Just slapped some makeup on really quickly. I'm gonna film some stuff for my stories on Instagram, and then I've got a business call in like 20 minutes, I think. I will talk to you guys when I start the cooking. I just got off the business call, done my Instagram stories, and I'm gonna start cooking now. It's about 3 o'clock. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse first of me like preparing everything, and then I'll go through the steps of the recipe with you. And my kettle's just on now. That's the noise that you can hear. I actually decided to do a voiceover for this recipe, so I'm going to start off with everything you need to prepare. The first thing you want to do is get 6 tomatoes and put them in a bowl and put your kettle on. Then you're going to need 10 green chilies. I think these are called bullet chilies, but they're just short and fat. And obviously make sure to give them a good wash. So once your kettle is done, pour the boiling water onto the tomatoes because we're going to de-skin them. So if you leave them in the water for like 10-15 minutes, they get really soft and you can peel them more easily. I'm actually going to use a spice mix mix for this recipe. You can screenshot this, I just got it from the Asian store. Add 2 tablespoons of the spice mix to a bowl, then squeeze a lemon into it and stir it until it becomes a paste. Okay, so this is the fun part. Grab your chilies and cut them down the center and open them up a bit like I'm doing in the video. Then with a spoon, add the paste that we just made into the chilies. So by now your tomatoes should be soft enough for you to take the skin off easily. Get yourself a chopping board and cut them all into halves. Then add the tomatoes to a blender and blend them until they become a paste. I'm also going to use 2 blocks of frozen garlic and 1 block of frozen ginger. Next, you're going to need 500 grams of natural yogurt, but make sure you whisk it until it becomes smooth so there's no like lumps in it. So for this recipe, I used 1 baby chicken and it's cut into handy pieces. Okay, moving on to the assembly process, you're going to add a 1/4 cup of oil to a pan. Add the chicken and we're going to sear the chicken, which means we're going to wait for it to turn from pink to white, and that'll take a few minutes. After that's done, add your garlic and ginger and stir until it's melted. Then you are going to add the yogurt and stir it all in. Then grab the rest of your spice mix and add that in. So you're going to stir this without the lid on for around 10 minutes. Then put the lid on and cook it for 5 minutes on medium heat. Then grab your tomato paste from earlier, add that in and give it a good stir. Put the lid back on and cook on high heat for 5 minutes. Then add your stuffed chilies and put it on medium heat for 30 minutes with the lid on, but check it frequently and make sure you're mixing it so it doesn't get burnt and stuck to the pan. So this is the end result and you can enjoy this with roti or naan. I hope you guys like my little recipe.